Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a long weekend in my life, another travel vlog. My boyfriend and I are going to Hershey PA for the weekend. He's actually submitting his research to a conference for work, and I'm just going along for the chocolate martinis. So I'm going to take you guys along with us. Right now it's Wednesday and I'm at Target and Ulta. I need to pick up a few different things. I need to get some bottled water for our trip, a couple snacks, and I really need some more Too Faced Born This Way concealer. That's my absolute favorite concealer, and I am running low, so I have a couple errands to run today, and I'm gonna pack and then take you guys along with me for the next couple days. If you didn't know, Hershey PA is where Milton Hershey founded his candy company, and that's where Hershey chocolate comes from. They have a lot of different things to do out there, like the Hershey's Chocolate World. It's an amusement park. They have the Hershey Botanical Gardens, and I haven't been there since elementary school, so I'm really excited to go. But we aren't gonna go to the parks. We don't really have enough time because we're leaving Friday after work, so we're gonna get there pretty late. But yeah, we're just gonna have a really fun weekend, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you will give this video a thumbs up, stick around, maybe consider subscribing, and let's just get into this vlog. Mission accomplished and then some. So it started raining, as you may have noticed. They did not have the shade that I need for the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, but I did pick up some more Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. I'm almost done with mine, so I actually wanted to grab that as well. So I got that, then I went to Marshall's because the Ulta is right next to the Marshall's, and I should just know never to go into Marshall's or TJ Maxx because you will always spend money on things you don't need. Yet I will show you guys what I got when I get home, but I got this really nice like knockoff gold chain link bracelet, and it looks really cute. And I also got a silver, like a mock silver necklace, and the necklace was $10.99 and then the bracelet was $12.99, and they both look like pretty quality. So I'm just really into like simple pieces of jewelry like that, and if they turn out like not looking junky like when they come out of the package, I know I'll wear them. But I'm afraid that when I put on the bracelet, especially with like my Miranda Fry bracelets, I'm afraid I won't wear it and I'll think it looks junky, but maybe I can return it if I decide that. But then I also got a pair of jeans by Kendall and Kylie. I didn't know they had like a jeans brand. It's not Good American, but it just said like Kendall and Kylie on it, and it was like this straight leg whitewash denim with like holes in it. It was so cute. I didn't try them on, so that's probably a mistake, but I just really didn't want to, and like I can easily come back to this Marshalls and return them if they don't fit me. But they were only 20 bucks, and they were like just the kind of jeans I was looking for, like straight leg, slightly loose but like not too baggy, and I love the whitewash denim look. So I'm pretty excited about those purchases. I didn't need them, but got some stuff, what can I say? So it's Thursday. It's been quite the eventful day. I got a phone call from my bank saying that my debit card was hacked by someone in Australia, and they wired some of their account a payment for $96. So they froze my debit card, and now I have to go to the bank to get a new card. It is just annoying because I really need to pack for Hershey, and I was just not expecting to have to go do this. But I wanted to get it immediately instead of waiting for 2 to 3 days, since I am going away this weekend. My bangs are doing this like really weird thing where they're like super wavy, even though I straightened them. But yeah, I just got done with work, and I'm gonna go get my new card and then pack for Hershey. I have to pack everything. Normally I will at least like pack my toiletries or whatever before, but I literally have nothing packed, so better hit the road right now. I am back. This is the packing situation. I need to get these Target bags into this new bag that I picked up from Target. It's this nice blue pouch. It has a little divider in it, and it seems like it's washable. You can't really see it too well, but I want to place all of my stuff from here into here because I think that will keep my stuff more organized, and then I only have to bring like one bag into the bathroom with me instead of like this one and a bunch of other like smaller ones like this. So I want to do that. I bought some like little toiletries from Target the other day, like mouthwash and a mini face wash and whatnot. This is what I'm taking. I'm not taking this shirt, but I'm taking these outfits over here. My denim jean shorts from American Eagle. This cute green and white top from Altered State. My olive green dress from Express. I think that's perfect for fall. And this Amazon dress. And then I'm gonna wear that tomorrow in the car. It's supposed to be in the 80s, so I don't think I need any like hoodies or leggings or anything. Hey you guys, it is Friday and I'm just checking in. I got my daily pumpkin cream cold brew Starbucks. I've been really loving this beverage this fall, but I wanted to update you guys on the debit card situation because I don't think I did last night. So I went to the bank and they tried to print my debit card and apparently their machines were down. And the other nearest bank to me, which was like 10 minutes away, their machine was down too. So they had to order it for me. And I guess I'm just going to be using my credit cards this weekend, but it's fine. It's all good. I'm just so excited it's Friday. I'm ready for this super fun weekend. I don't want to work out. I don't want to be responsible. I just want to do fun things like drink chocolate lattes and swim in the pool and take cute Instagram pictures at the gardens. And I just want to have a really fun weekend. So I'm hoping this afternoon goes fast. We're going to leave around 6 p.m. It's about a 3-hour and 20-minute drive, I think. So hopefully we get there by 10. We'll probably just go to sleep, but that's okay. I'm just really excited to be going on another little fun fall adventure, and I have some other trips upcoming this fall as well. So if you like seeing these travel vlogs, make sure that you're subscribed. But this day has been going super, super fast. We had this town hall this morning and it was kind of a different town hall. This one guy on another team owned a restaurant in New York City before the pandemic, and he did this live cooking demonstration. It was almost like he was on a cooking show or something, and he did that on WebEx. So that was cool and kind of added a little excitement to an otherwise pretty dry day at work. So
you got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time.
So we stopped at a rest stop because we were both starving. And there's a Popeyes, a Sbarro, an Auntie Anne's, and a Burger King. And the Burger King was the only place open. I can't tell you the last time I had Burger King, and I'm actually enjoying the chicken fries. So it's about 11 o'clock and we made it to the Hershey Lodge. It was a little bit of a struggle finding parking. This is a really big hotel and it reminds me of Disney World because the hotel has all these different buildings and each one is labeled something different, like Reese's or Hershey Bar or whatever. And there was no parking at our building, Hershey Bar. So we had to park super far away, and then it was kind of confusing figuring out how to get here, but we made it and we're here. My hair is looking a little bit crazy, but this is our room. It's nothing spectacular. I was honestly kind of expecting a little bit more, but it's just a standard hotel room. This bench is really comfy though. But yeah, nothing fancy, no special Hershey decor or anything. and it's really not even that big of a room. Kind of just looks like a Hilton, but they did give us 2 free chocolate bars upon arrival, as well as free tickets to the Hershey Botanical Garden, so we plan on using those tomorrow. So if you're planning on doing that and you stay here, make sure you don't buy the tickets on your own because you can get them for free. I don't know where Nick put our chocolate bars. I was gonna show you guys, but I'm not sure what he did with them. Good morning, you guys. It's about 9:30. Nick's been at the conference for quite a while, and I just woke up. I just got dressed, brushed my teeth, and brushed my hair, but I'm gonna get ready later. I'm gonna go find some coffee and some breakfast and walk around the hotel a little bit and then get ready. I hear they supposedly have chocolate hazelnut lattes, so I think that's what I might get. I don't know if you guys can hear this kid singing, but honestly, it was such an annoying sleep last night. These walls are so thin, and you could hear like people coming by your room, like kids running, kids singing, like it was very annoying. And I definitely am surprised for, like, this is a pricey hotel. If you look it up online, it is a pricey hotel. And we really only stayed here because the conference is at the convention center and you got a nice discount to stay here. But if I paid the full price, I'd be really mad because I'm sorry, I don't want to hear these people like right next to me. Like, you could hear the room next to us. Like, I could hear whenever they like closed the toilet lid. That's how thin these walls were. And to me, that's just really annoying because like I've stayed at a lot of hotels this year and we definitely couldn't hear like anything in our Airbnb in Seattle. We couldn't hear anything at the DoubleTree in Rochester. So this is just annoying to me, especially for like the price of the hotel and everything.
To talk to me is what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in.
So I'm walking back from breakfast and I have to say it was majorly disappointing. The bagel was hard. It was $10 for just a breakfast sandwich and coffee, and it was a really small coffee too, and it was also not that good. You guys, I am all ready. As you can see there, these Hershey Kiss is on the wallpaper here, which is cute. I think I'm gonna go and get another coffee because that first coffee I had was really small, and I do want to try that chocolate hazelnut latte. I didn't want to get it in the morning because I never want sweet coffees in the morning. I always like very bold and like more intense coffees. But Nick texted me his conference is now not going to be done until 1:30, so I have some time to kill before we head over to the gardens and to Chocolate World. So I figured I might as well walk around some more and get a coffee. I was at the gift shop earlier, but I didn't want to film anything because it was kind of small and I just felt kind of weird filming. It's pretty crowded here. But they did have these Hershey candles that smelled like Hershey's chocolate, and they really smelled good, but they were $30, and I was like, I really don't need another candle. I have so many Bath & Body Works candles, like I really don't need to buy that, but it might be calling my name, I don't know. So I got the chocolate hazelnut cappuccino at the Cocoa Beanery, and we are going to taste test it here. It's really good. It's definitely better than the iced coffee.
first.
Okay.
I know that seems silly, and I don't typically take...
What does it taste like?
Cookies and cream.
Oh my god.
It's wonderful.
And I got this humongous Reese's peanut butter blossom cookie. I'm definitely not going to be able to finish it all, but I wanted to get it. Back and changed into our dinner fits because we were feeling a little sweaty. The Hershey Gardens are beautiful. They have this like butterfly atrium, so I highly recommend going to that. And then we went to Chocolate World, walked around, had a little snack, and now it's time for dinner. We're gonna go to the Bear's Den here at the Hershey Lodge, which is kind of like a sports bar, and maybe get a burger or a sandwich or something like that. We had an alcoholic beverage at Fire and Grain. Nick had a chocolate martini. I had some red wine, as you can see by my like stained teeth and lips. I tried to get a mint julep, but it was like really nasty. It was like straight up bourbon, and I hated it. Now we're going to Trogues, which is like a cider house, brewery type place, and Nick said apparently they have lots of nice outdoor seating, so I'm excited. It's a really nice night, so we want to sit outside and hang out there. Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday. I just loaded up Nick's car. Unfortunately, our weekend is coming to an end, so he has a couple more hours of the conference. Then we're probably going to get some lunch and then head back to Pittsburgh. We had a great weekend. Last night was super fun. We ended up eating dinner here at the Bear's Den. We had a couple drinks at Fire and Grain and then called it a night. I ended up not even trying the chocolate martini just because it seemed too sweet to me, and I don't typically like really sweet things, so I didn't think I would really like it. So I ended up not trying it, even though I kind of really hyped it up. But overall, like I said, we had an amazing time. I will say, I feel like the Hershey Lodge to me is a little overrated for like what you get. I think the rooms are pretty basic, pretty small, and we probably wouldn't have stayed here if it wasn't for the conference. It's a nice hotel, don't get me wrong. It's very clean. The staff was very friendly, but I just think for what you get, you could probably stay at like a Hilton or Hampton and, you know, pay a lot less money. So that's just kind of my opinion on it. But let me know if you've ever stayed here before, if you have any questions. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!